G'day, it's Donna from Australia, and I've got the best video series coming at you all about stickers. This first one is going to be this sticker sheet here. The design is a free downloadable from Creative Fabrica, and I'm going to show you where to get it. That's download it, resize it so you can upload it into your LOKLiK IdeaStudio. I'm going to show you how to use the print then cut feature, and I'm going to be using this LOKLiK iCraft cutting machine. I prefer this machine because it's affordable and consistent, but any cutter with print then cut will work. And another thing I'm going to show you is that you can practice on paper before you print then cut on your actual sticker paper. What you're going to need is a free sticker sheet design or one you've designed yourself, sticker paper, a colour printer and a cutting machine. Now I've put links below of everything that I've used here today. For today's video, I'm using a website called Creative Fabrica, and I'm going to show you how you can register for free and get this cute bee gnome printable sticker as a free download. Once you've clicked on the link I've supplied for you in the description box below, you'll land on the Creative Fabrica website right here. Now what I want you to look at on the home page is here you'll see a button for sign up and you'll see one for free trial. Do not get confused with these two buttons. If you click on the free trial button, it's actually the free trial for the paid version. So if you truly want to go fully free, just click on the sign up button. Now you've clicked on sign up. If you are registering for the first time, click any one of these options. If you have already registered, just log in. Now, step 2, click on link to, which is going to take you directly to the sticker sheet that I'm sharing with you today. Here it is. This sticker sheet is ready to go. It's on an A4 sheet. It's already got the print area and the cut area designed for it ready to go. So just click on the download button here. And as soon as you've clicked on the download button, I'm on a PC, so mine shows up the top right hand corner here. So if I click on the show in folder icon here, I'll be able to right mouse click on the zip folder, then click on extract all, then click on extract. And we're going to be using the JPEG going forward. I just want to talk about the size of this file. The size is 2.48 megabyte. But when you upload this into the LOKLiK IdeaStudio software, something happens. Because we're going to be using the print then cut feature in the design software, the file becomes larger. And because of this, you'll exceed the file saving limit. And this will stop you from being able to save your sticker in IdeaStudio. And as a result, you'll lose the work that you just done on your sticker. So I'm going to show you a free software called Photopea that you can reduce the size of the file and still keep the high quality of this sticker sheet. Using Photopea is optional. If you are not going to save your sticker in IdeaStudio, skip this step. Well, here's how to find and use Photopea. You don't even have to download this one. Just type Photopea into your Google search and click on this link here, Photopea. Just so you know, you can do this in Photoshop, but Photopea is for free. Up here, click on accounts, you'll see it's for free. You can also get a premium account going. You don't need to have a paid account unless you want one. Go up to the menu and left mouse click on File. From the drop down list, click on Open. I'm on a PC, so it's opened up in my documents, and I'm going to click on my 𝗶𝗖𝗞𝗶𝗶𝗄 sticker sheet file. On the menu, click on Image, and then go down to Transform and rotate to the right 90 degrees. On the left toolbar, click on the Crop tool. Move up to this field, click on the arrow and click Fixed Ratio. In the width and height, change width to 6 and height to 8.5 and click on the tick or hit enter. We're nearly there. Go back up to Image, go down to Image Size and change pixels to inches. Change width to 6 and height to 8.5. Leave the DPI on 300. If it's not on 300, change it to 300. Change bilinear to bicubic sharper and click on OK. Click on the little tick on the menu. And if your canvas happens to be still bigger than your sticker, it doesn't always do this, but if it does, go up to Image and Trim and click OK. Now we've made our sticker sheet smaller. We're going to go up to File, then Export as JPEG. Leave all these settings alone. You can bump up the quality to 75 if you want, but I'm staying on 70, and click Save. You can ignore this ad that pops up here, and you'll be able to find your smaller file saved as a JPEG up in your download folders here. If you happen to create an account at Photopea, you can save your changes before you close out. So let's get started on how to upload and create your sticker sheet. So open up the LOKLiK IdeaStudio software. I'm using a desktop today, but you can use an iPad or a smartphone. Once you've opened up the software, you'll land on the mat. The mat is a 12 by 12. Just a quick note, the print then cut feature only supports A4 and US letter size. My printer uses A4, so I'm going to click on A4. Now check this box, Show Print Border. And this is a safe zone where we can place our sticker on the design area. Just quickly, you can go up here to the library and get some images, but we're going over here to upload our 𝗶𝗖𝗞𝗶𝗄 sticker sheet. So click Upload, find the smaller file that you made of your sticker sheet in Photopea, then double click it or click Open. Just in case, if IdeaStudio happens to show this message, just click on Shrink. Okay, so now we've got our sticker sheet on our design canvas. When I uploaded, the sticker size has changed, but we've got a simple fix. I'll show you how you can do it. You can either drag the corners in until the width is at 6 inches, or you can go up, make sure you've got the lock on and change the width to 6 and just hit enter. Now we've got our sticker size at the size that I wanted, and it will fit inside of these corner markers. Have you noticed this list down the side here? To be able to see this list, you have to have your sticker selected over here. If you click off your sticker, that list will go away. I'll click back on the sticker. The list has come back. This list is only visible when you first upload your sticker sheet, because IdeaStudio needs to know what you want to do with it. we want to print then cut. So we're going to click on this here where it says print then cut. So the software gets to work and it's changing it from a flat JPEG image into two layers, a print layer and a cut layer. See this blue outline around our stickers? This is our cut line. You can choose to select shrink to move that cut line closer to the flower, or expand and make that cut line cut further away from the flower. So here's an example of what will happen if you use the shrink button. One click is going to bring that cut line a little inside the white area. It's going to avoid cutting any of the color background, which is going to give you a better quality sticker, especially if you're selling stickers. It's optional, but I'm clicking shrink only once. Doesn't take long, and then I'm clicking apply. And we're back on the design canvas. If you click on the layers, you'll see a group, and we've got the print layer and the cut layer. The cut layer is white. If I change the view to a contour, you'll be able to see it a bit better. But that's just to show you there are two layers here. Now we're ready to make our first lot of print then cut stickers. If you're an absolute beginner, I recommend that you practice by using a sheet of copy paper. If you're confident, load your printer with your sticker paper that you want to use. To print your sticker sheet, left mouse click the sticker sheet on the mat, and that's going to put a blue bounding box around it. Then go up here and click on the Make button. The software has detected my device. I'm using the iCraft. If you haven't turned yours on, go and turn it on and come back. By default, we are on cut. Left mouse click on please select. Then click on print then cut. These settings here are correct. And click on start printing. Your print preview window shows up. Click on print. The print setup window is displayed, and you should have your copy paper in the printer or your sticker paper. If you have, click OK. I'm using the Epson EcoTank ET4850. Now the printing's done. Let's get ready to cut. I'm using the standard grip sticky mat, and I'm putting the wider border at the bottom. This is important that you do this, and put the top left hand corner into the top left hand corner of your mat. Stick it down well, and then feed that into the guides of your cutting machine and press the insert button. Coming back to the software, now that you've already printed, there's a green tick to say that you've already printed. So we need to tell the machine what you're going to cut. So we need to select the cutting parameters. To be able to select them, you need to tick the color box here. If you untick it, this select area is grayed out. So you must tick the color box. So once you've ticked the color box, click on please select. Then your material library opens. The material library, it tells your machine whether you're cutting vinyl, fabric, or sticker paper. It tells your machine how deep you want the blade to go, how fast you want it to go, and how many passes you want it to cut. You can choose one of the preset settings that's on this list, or you can create your own settings by clicking on My Materials, and I've got one here for the vinyl sticker paper that I use to get a kiss cut perfectly every time. And I'm selecting this even though I'm using copy paper to run a test. My cut settings are force 5.2, speed 3, passes 1. Now go down and click this button, Add to Task. You'll see the task over here on the left hand side, but you can recognize the really small white cutouts. When you're ready, click Start. It takes a little while to go through the process here. You'll be able to see here in the status that it's reading the marks. It's going to read 3 marks on the mat, 3 corners of the print. Once it's read those 3 corners, it's going to start to cut each one of these stickers that's on your print, but only the white area around each sticker. And when it's finished, the progress will read all the way across the bar at 100%. And then the status will say done. Eject the mat from your cutting machine. And I'm going to peel my practice paper off the mat. Now I'm checking where it cut, not how it cut. I don't care if it cut all the way through or not. Now look at the little bee on the left. It's got no background colour on it, just the white outline. And look at the little bee on the right. It's got some of the background colour on it. That is not a good cut. So the cut on the left is the best one. And if you remember earlier on when we done the print then cut selection, when we uploaded it, I clicked on shrink. So now we'll do a quick recap on how to use the actual sticker paper to make some print then cut stickers. I'm using the 𝗟𝗡𝗅𝗍𝗂. It's a premium vinyl sticker paper. It's tear resistant and waterproof. Before we start, load your sticker paper into the printer and follow the instructions on your sticker sheets. We're starting off with our sticker sheet on the canvas because we've already set everything up. So click on your sticker sheet, then click on Make, keep Cut selected and click on Please Select, then Print then Cut, then Start Printing, then Print. Now you're in the print setup, click on Properties. We want a better print quality for your stickers, so change it to whatever your paper is. I'm going to choose for a glossy. Then click OK. And click OK again. Your printer is going to get straight to work. Because you've changed the settings to print in quality, it's going to be a bit slow. Be careful when you get your sticker sheet out of the printer. Don't touch the ink, just in case it's wet. Mine seems to dry pretty quick, but I never touch it. I always handle it with care. I bring it up, put it on my desk, and I'll leave it for an hour. If I've got something to do for 2 hours, I'll leave it for as long as I can. Well, this has had plenty of time to dry, so I'm going to place it on my mat, putting the wide border down the bottom and the narrow up the top left-hand corner and sticking it down. Just to protect my sticker ink, I'm using the cover of my mat and the palm of my hand to press it down good. Next, I'm going to load the mat into my iCraft, and my software knows that I've already printed because I've got the green tick. To set my cutting parameters, I'm going to check this box, then please select, and I'm using my own settings, so I'm going to My Materials, and I'm selecting the vinyl sticker paper to do the kiss cut. I can double check here that the correct sticker paper has come through as the material. I can double check the force, the speed, and the passes, and then click Add to Task. I can see the correct task is here, and I'll just go ahead and click Start. As before, the machine is going to read the corner markers, and this is so that it lines everything up so it knows exactly where to cut the stickers out. and off it goes. It's going to cut my stickers out, and this time it's doing the kiss cut on the actual sticker paper. When it's finished cutting, just press the eject button and remove the mat. Now I can lift the sticker sheet off the sticky mat, and the first thing you'll notice is there are no cuts on the back of the sticker sheet. And that's because it's a kiss cut. It has only cut the top layer of the sticker. So if I peel this off, you'll see what a kiss cut actually is. It's just the sticky part of the sticker. So the top part of the sticker is the printed area. When you peel it off, the back of it is sticky, and that's what you can stick in your little notebook or on a jar or whatever you want to stick your sticker on. Now, did you notice a tiny little area of this sticker didn't want to pull away freely? In a minute, I'll show you how to fix it. It's still a good sticker, but it could be better. Now, this video was already getting really long, so I made this part simple. Just get a craft knife or a pair of scissors and cut the border of your sticker by hand. In another video, I'll show you how you can get your machine to do this as part of your sticker making. I'm just going to peel off this little sticker here to see if it's going to do the same as that first one did. And yeah, it doesn't pull away easily either. Just that a tiny little spot. So I'll show you how to adjust your settings so your next lot of stickers will peel away cleanly. Go to the task list and clear the task, close it down, and right here you can adjust the force. I'm going to go arrow up to 5.3, just one click. Now read this here. Your setups will be saved automatically after adding a task. So what does this mean? It means you need to click on this button here, add to task. Now that adjustment has been saved. You can clear this task and back out of here, cancel this, and you're back at the canvas. The final step is how to save your sticker sheets. With your sticker sheet selected on the canvas, go up to the menu, left mouse click on Save. I have a project named Stickers. Click on Stickers, highlight the project box and type in a new title. Then click on Save. Once it's finished saving, go up to the X and close out. IdeaStudio will automatically bring you back to the canvas. I'm going to create a fresh page and show you how you can find your saved design. Click on this plus button. Then go up, click My Zone. Then click on the Stickers project. Then click on these three dots. Then click Add Canvas. Then click on this Go Design. It's a bit hard to see, but it's the green one. And that's it. You can start over. Select the sticker sheet on your mat, go up to Make, you're on Cut, select Print Then Cut, and just repeat what I've just showed you in this video. Once you've done this a couple of times, you're going to be a pro. But you do need to practice. I do recommend that you do your practice on a piece of copy paper, and that way you will not waste your precious sticker paper. If your calibration is off, watch this video here. I show you how to get your calibration in check. Have a look at the bottom of this bunny here. The little white outline is all